Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get neck scarf in Dress to Impress with accessory adjustment. Okay, first of all guys, you can go to this area and you're going to wear this item. Okay, and I'm going to show you the adjustment you need to set to create scarf. Okay, this is for the accessory adjustment. For the position, you can set the X position 0.50, Y 0.39, and Z 0.46. And then for the rotation, you can set the X 0.37, Y 0.50, and Z 0.50. And this is for the scale. You can set it to 0, and then you will get this scarf. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get scarf in Dress to Impress with accessory adjustment. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.